Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about AirPods issue. Now this is something which is really big. AirPods issue is really widespread. Number one thing, AirPods are really famous pair of earphones. It is one of the most famous true wireless earphones available in the market, and whenever there are a lot of people using a single product, there are a lot of complaints which are in the limelight. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's dive in today's video and talk about the AirPods, rattling, noise cancellation, and all of the issues that you guys face on your AirPods. I have talked to some of my subscribers related to AirPods issue, and in this video we are going to talk about how to resolve these issues on your AirPods, and if you are facing them, is it something to worry about, and should you take your AirPods to Apple and get it replaced. Make sure to subscribe to this channel because we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can, so it would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And now that you've done that, let's dive in today's video. Alright, so first of all, the issue we are talking about is the rattling noise. Number one thing, make sure that your AirPods is not physically damaged. What I mean is, this issue is more prominent whenever what happens is, it has happened to me once as well, but I was lucky enough that my AirPods survived. I had my AirPods in my jeans, and my mom just threw my jeans in the washing machine, and when the jeans came out, I realized that my AirPods was in the jeans, and after that my AirPods had some rattling issues, and how I fixed it was simple. Just take your AirPods out, and after taking them out, what you have to do is play some really high frequency sounds for about 15 to 20 minutes on your AirPods, and it will remove a lot of water from the AirPods itself. This is something which worked for me, and if you see, this is a bit colored as well. The issue came again on my AirPods during Holi. I used my AirPods during Holi, and of course, you know, Holi is a water festival in India, so one of my friends threw a bucket of water on me, and my AirPods was in my ears, and guess what, it again came, the rattling issue again came, and I used the same trick and it worked for me. So what happens with what makes the rattling issues is that water gets in between the speaker area. I'm not very technically sound when it comes to audio things, and I'm not an audio enthusiast, but briefly, the small thing is using high frequency sounds helps to remove the water from your speaker. Alright, so now that the rattling part is over, if you are still having that rattling sound, make sure to talk to Apple Support on their app, and they will assist you the best regarding to this. What you have to do you have to go to the Apple store and get it replaced, or do you have to pay? Or if you have Apple Care Plus, they will just ask you no question and you will just easily get a new pair of AirPods. That is really amazing, but most of the people do not tend to purchase Apple Care Plus, especially in India. So if you are from India, I know most of you guys don't have Apple Care Plus, so the only thing left is talking to Apple Support and seeing what is the best solution for you. Now what you have to do if you have issues, for example, this is my personal experience as well. I remember I had this issue which got me a new pair of, this is my second pair of AirPods, and the reason is how I managed to get a new one is because this Apple Care Plus. Yes, I had Apple Care Plus. Thank you so much, Apple, for giving me a new pair of earphones without asking me any questions or anything. But Apple Care Plus is really worth it. I know most of you guys don't happen to own Apple Care Plus. That is completely alright. This was my first time purchasing Apple Care Plus as well, but my experience has been amazing. I was having volume issues as well, and noise cancellation was just getting disconnected. It was not completely working. Noise cancellation was getting disconnected from the right AirPod again and again. That was a software issue, but they just gave me a new one instead of updating the software. So if you are having this issue, noise cancellation or voice issue, what you have to do is simply open your iPhone, make sure that your AirPods are connected, make sure it is connected, and put your AirPods case on charging as well. It will take some time, it will take around 5 to 6 hours. I kept it for 5 to 6 hours and it was updated automatically. Keep it in case and it will update automatically. But still, if you are really keen to update your AirPods, what you can do is just simply connect your AirPods on charging, connect your AirPods, make sure your AirPods are connected, and then go in about section of your iPhone, scroll down until you find AirPods Pros, then stay on the screen and make sure the iPhone is turned on and your AirPods are right beside it. It will get updated really quickly. When you will see that it is disconnected from your iPhone, then you will have to connect it again and then it will update it. Make sure to check this where you can see the firmware version. As you can see, SE135, this will be changed, and when this is changed, that means your AirPods are updated. Well, that's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Let me know down in comments below if this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is me, Tech Hyped aka Jay, signing off. Please hit that subscribe button. I keep on making these type of dope videos for you guys, and I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.